going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Saturday, December 28th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The year is almost over, and it's looking like another beautiful day on the mountain. We are pretty close to being 100% open with 24 trails for you to rip down and 6 lifts to get you to the top. Let's not forget, we also have our terrain park up on Hitchcock with a total of 8 shreddable features. Grab a park pass at customer service and come check it out. Next Tuesday is the end of the decade, and what better way to say farewell to the old and ring in the new than at Wachusett. We'll have plenty going on, from a buffet dinner, live music, and fireworks. There's sure to be something for everyone. And let's not forget that we'll have skiing and riding till midnight, so grab your friends and come on up and end the year on the slopes. Check out Wachusett.com for more details. That's all I have for today. Be sure to keep an eye on social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Saturday, and I'll see you on the slopes.